Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If I sound a little different, that's because I'm a little under the weather, but I still wanted to film this video. I went to Five Below, and I feel like me and my family cannot go to Five Below without looking at like the board game section. So yesterday I found the MTV The Throwback Music Party game, and this is awesome. If you know or grew up in the 80s, 90s, and they even have early 2000s in here as well, this is awesome. It was so much fun. And then the next one, these are $5 each, by the way. The next one we picked up was Polar Bear Plunge. And I'm not even gonna lie, like, we played this game so many times last night. It actually is only 2 players, but John, Connor, and I, all 3 played this together. It was so much fun, and we were playing it while we were watching Titanic. But absolutely a blast. And Five Below does like knockoff games, like knockoff of the name brand, and for $5 a pop, you really can't beat it. We love playing games and board games in general, so trivia together. So Five Below is a great place to pick up games. Just want to throw that out there. Also at Five Below, I picked up a Christmas gift, Monzu RC. I picked up the shark one, and he looks really cool. So he comes with a remote control, and of course I'm sure the batteries aren't included, but he's just an RC car. And also at Five Below, this is something that I was not looking for there or anything, but they had some wrapping paper, and we love the Grinch. Grinch is not just like a one-time or a holiday kind of watch at our house. We watched the Jim Carrey Grinch adaptation of the Dr. Seuss book and little cartoon movie or animation movie all the time, like year-round. So much. So I picked up the Grinch wrapping paper, and this one I just thought was be really fun because Connor loves pizza, and it's pizza Christmas trees. Like, how cute is that? Just for fun. The Grinch was $2 and this was $1. Another random find, and I was so happy to find this, and at only $2, I am super impressed that Five Below had one of these for $2. I've in the past purchased advent calendars with the chocolates in them, and they've been way more expensive than $2. But they had SpongeBob, they had superheroes, they had some girly ones. I picked up the Star Wars one for Connor, the Mandalorian. We really loved the Mandalorian and little baby Yoda. He's so cute. But this is a holiday countdown calendar, advent calendar thing with 24 milk chocolates and counting down to Christmas. The chocolates actually say Star Wars. There's a fun maze on the back even, and for $2, you can't beat it. And this is kind of large, but I'm still going to try to share it with you guys. I always look at these. I never picked them up, but yesterday I decided to pick this one up. And it is just a storage bin, 11 by 11 by 8.5 inches, $5. It has a cloth insert. It's like a metal basket. I honestly have no clue what I'm going to use for this or do with this thing right now, but it's super cute. It's got little ties on the side so you can take this out and wash it. And I picked the creamy color. It had like a gold, a bronze. And yeah, I just picked up a storage bin. So from LA Colors, I'd actually pondered buying all these glitter vibe polishes from online, but I'm glad I didn't. I got to see them in person yesterday. They were $3 each in store. I wish they were like Walmart and just had them like for $2 each, but they're beautiful nonetheless. So I did pick up, I knew that this one was on my radar for sure. Like, I was definitely, if I ever saw this one out, I would definitely pick this one up. And this is called Drippin', and it's a beautiful teal glitter. And this one is very beautiful, and this is going to pair nicely with another polish I got. And this one is called Finesse. And it's this beautiful coppery glitter. These are chunky glitters, by the way. But LE Colors always comes out with the most beautiful polish collections. They really do. They really do. Their polishes are really good. And for the prices, they're actually really decent. I know a lot of people hate on them and gripe about having to build them up and stuff. But honestly, like, for a cheaper, affordable price, you get a lot of different finishes and stuff. So, I'm not going to hate on it. My boys loved. They had a Zodiac nail polishes display yesterday. And I'm a Taurus, but I am not going to buy a light pink polish. That's the one they had for mine. But I picked up Leo, and these are duochromes. So I don't know if you can tell, but it's like a coppery penny with this like red and orange pink flash in it as well. I do feel that I have similar nail polishes to this, but this one looks more opaque than the other one that I actually own. So I picked this up. These were $3 each. Really cute packaging, might I add. And the other one I picked up, also like a duochrome kind of thing, is Capricorn. I'm a Taurus, John's an Aquarius, and Connor's a Pisces. Just total random, but these are the two that I liked. If there was more in the collection that I liked, I would have bought them, but these two really stood out. So this is like a green with a darker blue purpley kind of shift with it, and a little gold depending on what light you look at it in. Absolutely stunning. These polishes here, they were $3 each. And, just in case you were wondering, I don't know how well it will show up, but this is a Walking Dead manicure. We're all infected. There's Rick shooting a zombie. Don't open dead inside. And don't get bit. On top of ILNP's Eclipse. With some silver blood splatter. I don't know, I was just playing around with some new plates I got. So, yes, that's it. That's it, y'all. That's all for the Five Below haul. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos, and thank you guys so very much for watching.